Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to manage blaster. In the beginning, let's go to menu and enter equipment. Go to blaster, and here you can adjust plasma blaster, ion and stun shot. Also you can change appearance of your blaster. There is also third blaster mode we can unlock further in the game. To upgrade blaster, you have to gather or buy materials. You can also adjust blasters and upgrade them in workbench on your ship. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.